Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm Roxanne and this is my channel. Today we're going to be doing the Ipsy unboxing for December. I just got it today. Haven't even looked in it. My December bag got lost at the border. I don't know what happened to it. They said that they couldn't, then when I contacted Ipsy, they said they couldn't replace the exact items that I was supposed to get, and so I have no idea what's in this bag. So I was supposed to get a Luxe and a Fair brush, a nail polish, a Hey Honey Relax Propolis Honey Soothing Cream, and Delectable Hand Cream, and gingerbread, and a Benefit Professional Primer. So I don't think that's in here, but I'm really excited to see the bag. Let's see here. Now, Ipsy is a monthly subscription. It's $10 American plus $5 to ship to Canada, so it makes it about $20 Canadian. You pay for it on the first. On the second, they usually reveal what's in your bag. They pick 5 items this month. For December had 6. Then on the second, for 24 hours, you have a chance to buy add-ons. The first add-on period was just a bunch of sample sizes. The second, or the last one for December, actually had chose the 111 Skin Serum and the Smith & Colt palette, and the Steve Laurent eye pigment. I can't remember what it was, like it's loose leaf pigment eyeshadow in Antique Olive, I believe. It all went missing. Ipsy couldn't replace my add-ons, so I just got a refund and then this bag. So let's delve into this bag. The first item I see is the Luxe brush and the Fair brush. So I did get them, which I'm really excited about. I just washed up all my brushes, but I will probably use these. I do like the Fair brushes. I did get in the Ipsy Glam Bag Plus that I had shipped to my American box. So I've been using them on and off, so I will definitely be using these. I like the Luxe brushes a lot. I'm wondering if I already have this, so if I do, I probably will put that in a giveaway. So here's the bag. I really like this bag. It's kind of banged up on the back, but hey. So taking a quick peek in here, I see that I got everything I was supposed to. So I got the Pore Professional, the gingerbread hand cream. Actually, I got 2 of them. I'll take it. I got another one and the other one. So then I got the honey, Hey Honey, and then I got the nail lacquer in a Harris 73. So I'm kind of hoping this is purple because the other color wasn't my color, and it is. That is actually really pretty. Huh. Let's try this. It's kind of gloopy, and of course I use my shortest nail. It's kind of nice. I'm really surprised they didn't send the Steve Laurent one, but oh well. So I guess this month I got 7 items. I've already tried this and it smells so good, so I might gift one of these. And yeah, this calms redness and upsets skin, which would be really good. Right now it's like -21 here, so my skin is not liking this cold weather. I have a few other Hey Honey products that I haven't used yet. All I can smell is the nail polish. And the Pore Professional Primer. I've gotten lots of these. I think I will be trading this or gifting this. I don't really need another primer. So this month, my bag included 7 items. And the bag. So I'm fairly happy with this. A lot of it's my colors. I do like the hand cream, and I do need to use hand cream where I work. As you can see, my dog. But anyway, I have a link below if you want to sign up for Ipsy. Right now it is slow to ship, and a lot of people are canceling, so I'm a little on the border of whether I'm going to cancel or not, just because the bags are coming so late. Like I said, this is December's. My January bag is in Kitchener. It's been there all weekend, and it should have been here today, but it's not. So I have two January bags coming. One, it was a promo bag where I got a second bag, and apparently I was getting another one of these bags plus 5 items for free. So that should be here actually tomorrow. My main bag for January is again stuck. I don't know where it is. It has 3 add-ons, including the Violet Voss eyeshadow and a contour brush from Luxe. I don't know if I'm going to be getting that. I will be emailing Ipsy if I don't have it by the end of the week, because that'll be over the 10 days. If I don't get it, I probably will just get next month and then be done with it, because I'm not gonna do this every month. It's completely frustrating, and Ipsy is one of my favorite bags, but you can only handle so much. It's so pretty, isn't it? But anyway, if you want to sign up, you can use my link. I just get a couple points for you signing up. If you have any comments, you can leave them below. Thanks for watching.